Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. And in today's video, I am going to be sharing don'ts that you should not do if you have color treated hair. I get a lot of question asked. There are people who go to salons and get their hair color treated, and after a certain amount of time their hair become dull, dry and brittle. So there are certain things that you must do in order to protect your hair. So yes, without further ado guys, we are quickly going to be diving in. So the first tip is going to be protecting your hair against harmful sun rays. Now I keep on emphasizing to apply sunscreen in almost all the skincare videos, but let me tell you, it is going to be equally important for your hair as well. Especially if you have color treated hair guys, your hair become prone to damage. So yes, whenever you are stepping out in the sun, make sure that you are covering your hair. Also, there are going to be products available in the market which has SPF and helps in protecting your hair against those harmful UVA and UVB rays. In my previous video also, I showed you a product which helps in protecting your hair. The link is going to be here if you want to check it out. So yes, that is going to be my first tip. Whenever you go out in the sun, protect your hair with the sun protection formula or just cover your hair. That is going to be the first tip. So guys, the next tip is gonna be do not overheat your hair. Now, I know that I keep emphasizing on the fact that let your hair air dry, but if you're someone who is in a hurry and you have to go out and you are using a heating tool, it may be a curler, a iron, or just a blow dry, make sure that you are protecting your hair with the spray or mist which helps in protecting your hair. Otherwise, you can just let them down, let them air dry. That is going to be the best solution guys. And even if you are using a flat iron, make sure that it has a ceramic coating which helps in protecting your cuticle and strands. By that way, it is not going to cause any damage. Otherwise, overheating the hair might make them dull, dry, and even the color fade away. And now I want to share my secret to get beautiful salon like gorgeous hair at home. And my secret is gonna be Salon Secret High Shine Creme Hair Color by Bee Blunt. And today I'm gonna be demonstrating how I use it. Now the pack consists of 5 things. The first 3 are gonna be this developer, one is gonna be colorant, and the secret sauce is gonna be the shine tonic which helps in giving you gorgeous hair. If you use my code beauty20, you're gonna get extra 20% off on Bee Blunt's official website. The products are also gonna be available on Amazon, Nykaa and Flipkart. And let me tell you how I make it. So the first thing here, I am gonna take the tube which has developer in it. So take a container which is non-metallic. Here I'm going to take this ceramic one. After that, I am going to be adding the colorant into this. Now keep the quantity of both the products same. I have quite long hair, so I'm going to take it all. After that, I am going to be adding shine tonic into it. Now our mixture is almost ready guys. I just need to stir it up. And the reason why I love Bee Blunt is guys because it's premier hair care and styling brand which is synonymous with cutting edge hairstyling and hair care, and it also stands for its uniqueness and individuality. I completely trust the brand, so that is why I am loving their products these days. So once I get done with this guys, I'm gonna wear the gloves. This pack consists of 5 things guys. I have already told you it consists of a colorant, a developer, a shine tonic, gloves, and also it comes up with the manual how to apply it. There are wide variety of colors which are available in this, so you can pick anything you want. Today I'm going to be using this light brown color because I love that hue of brown color on my hair. I'm gonna apply it all over my hair, and yes, I recommend you guys before doing any hair color, do a patch test for 24 to 48 hours. If it reacts, you can definitely skip it. I'm gonna leave this in my hair for good 30 minutes, and after that I'm gonna rinse it out using a normal shampoo and conditioner. And you can have a look at my hair, how beautiful they look. I love the shine in the hair. I have let them air dry naturally, so yes, they feel amazing. I love the color guys. You can definitely give it a try. The link is gonna be in the description box below. Now this is going to be the last tip I have to share with you all, and that is going to be do not avoid your conditioner. Now conditioner helps in closing up your cuticles. So once you get done shampooing the hair, apply the conditioner and make sure that you leave it in your hair for good 3 to 4 minutes and rinse it out at the end of shower. By doing this, you are going to give your hair the nutrition that it needs, and it also helps in